UV lights are highly effective in killing all types of viruses. Exposing the virus and other bacteria or mold to UVC light in the 200 nanometer to 280 nanometer range kills the harmful microorganisms at the DNA level. This tried and tested solution has been successful in previous outbreaks, capable of killing SARS and MERS as well as E. coli, influenza, and staphylococcus. The best part is, UV light sanitizes work areas without needing to come in contact with the surface or object. This passive approach ensures you can continue working and living life to the fullest with minimal interruptions. Larson Electronics offers a complete selection of UV disinfection lights to combat viruses and infections. These products range from handheld battery-powered UVC lights and UV desktop lamps to portable UV disinfection carts, portable UV sanitation carts, 4-lamp UVC disinfection cart with wheels for mobility designed for 800 square feet, recommended for large rooms and facilities. This cart comes with 50 feet of SOOW cord and a general area cord cap for connection to 120 to 277 volt power. We also offer a 2-lamp version of this lighting system. UV hand lamps. Handheld UVC sanitation light for close-up sanitation of surfaces, hard-to-reach section of rooms, and machines. This light is protected by a lamp guard and features a hook for hands-free application or storage. Available in 120 volt or 220 volt. We also offer a bigger version of this hand lamp. Rechargeable UV hand lamp. This light is recommended for quick, on-the-go sanitation. This battery-powered UV light is compact and can be used to disinfect remote locations, temporary sites, vehicles, and more. Wall charger included. Tabletop UV Light. This light is great for setting up a designated sanitation area on desks, tables, workstations, and more. Leave your personal devices such as phones, keys, access cards, and laptops on the surface for disinfection. This UV lamp has an adjustable neck for direct beam placement over the area. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.